First tonight, Austin homeowners are going to see their property tax bills go up, but it's a question of by how much.
Well, tomorrow, the city council will talk about whether to put a tax increase on the November ballot. But council members are still working out the details, including just how big that increase should be. KVUE's Isabella Basco is live downtown tonight. And Isabella, what can we expect from tomorrow's meeting?
Well, Quita and Mark, city leaders say that because of what's happening at the state and federal levels, they are being forced to consider raising taxes to help maintain those city programs and services. Now, tomorrow, a conversation will take place at City Hall to discuss what that tax hike could look like. To keep Austin's parks well maintained, help pools stay open, and fix city roads, city leaders say more money is needed. Councilmember Mike Siegel says the federal government has cut tens of millions of dollars in funding, and the state has made it harder for the city to raise revenue. Now, city leaders need to have this discussion.
Basically, how many pennies of additional taxation we have to add for each person's property valuation to make sure we can maintain our quality of life.
Under state law, a tax rate election is required if city leaders want to raise property taxes more than 3.5%, leaving it to voters to decide.
So we're looking at, frankly, raising taxes on the average homeowner $200 or a little bit more every year.
This week, Austin Mayor Kirk Watson posted online that Austin needs to become more affordable, writing in part, "Many are scared. Too many are moving out of Austin." But Councilmember Ryan Alter says inflation has outstripped the state's property tax cap.
We can't even do the things that we were doing 5 years ago and pay for them.
The last time City Council called a tax rate election was in 2020, when voters approved a property tax hike to pay for Project Connect, a plan that includes building a light rail in Austin.
We also have to deliver services in a high quality manner, and the only way to do that is to, unfortunately, have taxes.
And tomorrow at 9 a.m., Council will discuss that maximum tax rate. Now, keep in mind, this is not necessarily what the tax rate will be, but it will be the highest number that Council can adopt. Live near downtown Austin tonight, Isabella Basco for KVUE News.